So for this type of Collagraph, it does depend on your ability. If you want to go for a more complex, detailed image, you can do it. You just need to find a lot more textures. Now, I'm just going to use what I've got available here to do a pastiche of this. I'm doing it in black and grey. It hasn't got a lot of colour in real life anyway. And just explore what I can do with the textures that are available to me here. Again, I will speed up what I'm doing so you guys can see it without waiting around forever. Okay, so once the glue has dried on my plate, the next thing I need to do is just roll out my ink again. Place paper on top, and then use my Baron to press it. And then you turn it over and you have your print.